Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. It's been a while since I've seen you, but it's a warm December day and Peach is here. You can see her. See, we are out playing ball. So I'm gonna start by apologizing if you hear her little jingle jangle in the video, but I had a day off and didn't really have much to do. I will throw it again, okay. And felt like making a video because it's been a long time, and so we're outside playing ball and I saw the train layout over here. It's kind of been neglected for a while, pretty much a whole year, honestly. I've been extremely busy. So it's in the winter mode where everything is dead. So it doesn't look the greatest at the moment, but like I said, it's kind of been neglected and I've been real busy, and it is the middle of December, so everything's dead and it's not that pretty. I do invite you to go over to my Instagram though. I've got some videos and photos of when the layout really looked nice in the middle of summer and all the flowers were bloomed and everything. So go check that out. I'll put the link in the description for it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna run a short little supply train on the layout. If you can see it, we've got a reefer car, some barrels, and then a gondola back there that we're gonna run to 3 different locations. I don't have much in the way of realistic supplies. I've got a couple barrels in there. I don't have much more, so we're kind of also going to pretend, you know, that there's actual supplies being carried out and onto the train. So yeah, anyways, let's get this video started.